Welcome to in front of me Realme GT 2 Pro, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So first I'll just activate the decibel meter, because I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll here enable the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speakers here, the value here on this display then will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our device, a Realme device, reach 111.6 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.